So Zuant helps teams create virtual experiences, capture and qualify valuable leads, produce live reporting, and follow up with valuable sales meetings in one easy-to-use system for virtual or live events. Pete's fun fact is that he trained as an engineer and product designer originally and won the prestigious British Plastics Federation's Design Innovation Award for a James Bond-style golf trolley, the Cadillac. Definitely not spelled the way I would spell Cadillac, but I love this. The Cadillac was then featured on the BBC's Tomorrow's World TV show. So it sounds like he had a very, very interesting previous career. But now we're grateful to have him here with Zuant. Pete, why don't you take it away?
Thanks, Carly, very much indeed. And no time pressure as the last one in, but we'll give it a go.
None at all.
So, hi, folks. Excited to be here to introduce our new 3D system for Matterport. My name is Pete Gillette. I'm the CEO of Zuant. So, our success has been built on our expertise in lead capture technology. Zuant 3D now takes us into this whole new world with the straightforward twin objectives of shortening sales times and increasing revenue for companies using Matterport. Compared to the fake 3D environments that many virtual events had to rush into, we love the reality of a Matterport space and realized we could go further and make them even more useful and track visitor activity through journeys to create high-value sales leads. So this is what we've got. First of all, like a live event, let's greet visitors with a real receptionist. We're fortunate to be part of a global call center group, and we're working with other partners such as Voiceable to welcome you into a space, offer to show you around, and answer any specific questions. Secondly, we need to help our clients accelerate the sales process by providing really clear navigation through a space. For instance, for a high-end hotel, an obvious initial journey would be reception and ground floor facilities, then bars and maybe a swimming pool and beach area, while other journeys would be to different bedroom specs to help visitors select the actual rooms and perhaps the views they're particularly after. Our black box navigation system is therefore very easy to use, also features a hyperjump option between experiences to compare hotels, for instance, in the same chain at different locations. So that's a great welcome. It's clear navigation. And next from the original Zuant app, a content showroom pops up, relevant collateral, depending on where people are in a particular space. This can either be viewed at the moment or included in a follow-up thank you eval. So let's go live onto the system now and show you how we can manage all of these different experiences. The same digital twin can be copied and hosted in the 3D management portal with completely different journeys, maybe in different languages to suit the types of visitor, or even the journey a sales guy wishes to create for an individual sales pitch. Or the journey may be to show all of a hotel's business conference facilities that are completely different for those for guests who are looking for booking a holiday, for instance. And here's the big win, sales lead management. As you can see at the bottom of the screen, all the movements through a Matterport space are fully tracked and analyzed, and key aspects to a visitor's interest based on dwell time at different points are all condensed into data that a sales team can follow up. They're pushed through to the existing Zuant cloud infrastructure in just the same way as a badge scan at a trade show or even a QR code accessed in a shopping mall. So there it is. We hope you like it. We're excited about this partnership and the opportunities it provides to really make 3D journeys a great addition to any sales and marketing strategy. Thank you, and any questions?
All right, Pete, you won for the shortest, most precise presentation.
We did it.
I appreciate that. I'm going to launch the poll so we can hear from the crowd as to who won the presentation while I ask you a couple questions. So lots of multitasking going on in this last few minutes we're going over. I appreciate sticking around for voting and to hear about Zuant's questions. So I know that you mentioned reporting. Is reporting accessible outside of the platform?
Yes, it is. So it's available within the Zuant 3D platform, and also the data flows into our normal Zuant cloud infrastructure, where you've got connections to CRM and other marketing automation platforms like HubSpot.
Great. And what is the lead time to create a virtual conference or one of these virtual tours?
If you've got the Matterport images already in place, there's no reason why this can't be up and running in 24 hours. And we will be moving to a self-service platform, so people will be able to go in and create these tours on their own almost instantly.